decently comfortable, and look, I can turn around without banging my knees. This has been a great project. Let me just recap what we did. You can watch all the videos, but just to give you a real quick rundown, started off with some 3/4 inch cabinet grade birch plywood and built the boxes. Used dado joints, used the router to cut all the dados, and glued up the boxes. After the boxes were done, I then built the drawer boxes to fit into the various compartments. The drawer boxes were built with 1/2 inch plywood, and we used a lock mortise joint on the corners to make them really rigid and sturdy. Used some 3/8 inch plywood for the bottoms of the drawers, and got those finished. Then we mounted the drawers using these full extension slides, and had a little bit of a easy, unique way of mounting those drawer slides so that there was no measuring, and pretty foolproof. After the drawers were mounted in the boxes, I cut all of the poplar for the trim for the drawer fronts and to edge the plywood on the boxes all the way around, front and back. I then glued up the boards to make the drawer fronts. This is a solid piece here. This is 2 pieces. This one's 3, and this one's 4 pieces down here. Did those double length so that there was continuity between the 2 sides. Then after they were dry, I cut them in half and then cut each drawer front individually and sized it to fit. Then to attach the drawer front, which is always a challenge, I put the drawers in one at a time, the drawer fronts in one at a time, used pennies, nickels, and dimes as spacers to get the spacing even all the way around, and then drilled holes straight through in the spots where the hardware was going to go, through the front into the drawer box, and mounted those from behind. They were clearance holes, so there was just enough wiggle room to get these in position, and then I put wood screws in from the back side to hold the fronts on nice and securely. After that was done, and the facing was attached, then we built a torsion box top. It's really sturdy. There's 3/4 inch plywood on the bottom, 3/4 inch MDF for the top, with plywood spacers in a web pattern on the inside that makes the top really rigid so that there's no sag to it. Then trimmed off the outside of that with poplar all the way around, put some finish on it, and the very last step was to put Formica on the top. And now, the most exciting part is I have all these empty drawers. So I've got to start doing some tool shopping and fill these babies up. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.